It is great to have you back here at Coin Lady channel. Watch this video to learn how XRP relates to a Bitcoin spot ETF. If you're an XRP believer who wants to see more content like this, you should hit the like button. If you're new here, I hope you'll subscribe so we can keep you updated on all the newest occurrences in the world of cryptocurrencies, meme coins, and more. That gives me the confidence to keep creating films like this. That being said, let's take a broad look at the market. It appears like I say this in every video, but the price of Bitcoin is 30,767 as we start a new day in the UK. Nevertheless, it may soon reach $40. That will be investigated shortly. Nevertheless, XRP's price was at $6,049, a little drop from the previous day, and the volume was little under $1 billion, a 2% decrease. I think this is related to XRP because a lot of people are holding their breath to see whether the SEC and Ripple can resolve their differences. Then why does that matter? We are cognizant of the fact that discussions have transpired, and we can state with certainty that there were private discussions pertaining to this settlement. The SEC asked for $770 million, but what happens after that is anybody's guess. Actually, I don't think it will make a difference unless people understand the true worth or their objective. There has been no resolution to the 3-year legal battle over XRP's classification, therefore it's significantly lower than what people may expect. There will be settlement talks between SEC and Ripple Labs, as ordered by the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York. Throughout these discussions, there was going to be a clandestine meeting this morning. Among the numerous aspects of the prospective settlement that will be addressed at the meeting convened under the Sunshine Act, administrative processes for institution and settlement, examination and enforcement claims, and injunctive actions or litigation, will be Ripple's willingness to pay. How much is the SEC willing to accept? I apologize for my lack of knowledge, but we are in charge of the $4.34 billion Binance count case. On the 2 significant days that have been scheduled, we shall witness the resolution of these issues. The parties expected to have resolved remedies related to discovery by February 12. The remedy brief was due by the SEC on March 13. Ripple has until April 12 to take action. To put a hold on the SEC filings, we need to verify 3 crucial dates. Therefore, it's possible that a final resolution won't emerge from the settlement conversation. In the end, I believe that we live in a world where if the SEC isn't enough or doesn't match what won Ripple, in my opinion, they will not move forward with it. 3 of the legal suits have already been won. Additionally, I believe that XRP is currently holding a lot of the emotion. I think we can all agree that the crypto industry needs clearer standards after the protracted legal battle between Ripple Labs and the SEC. What else are we involved in? This isn't directly relevant to XRP because I briefly covered the spot Bitcoin ETF. But we do know that another ETF has gone into the trust, and Panda Asset is just one of many large spot ETFs that have gone into the trust since it was established as a Delaware statutory trust on November 16. The purpose of the trust is to hold Bitcoin that has been transferred to it in return for shares that the trust has issued. Once again, another major spot ETF, whether it's Britomart Grayscale, BlackRock ARK Invest, WisdomTree CBOE, or any of the others, could affect the price of Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. First things first, the existence of an XRP ETF is a hotly contested topic. I also believe that as XRP becomes more established among financial institutions, we will be able to see that infrastructure put in place, and that might lead to the desire for an XRP ETF. This is also something we observe, and I'd want to remark on it briefly because of its significance. With the addition of this new on-ramp, the XRP wallet Zoom is now accessible in 150 countries. The truth is that XRP is aiming to develop this infrastructure, a worldwide infrastructure, that will allow for peer-to-peer and, eventually, borderless payments. Since we've been discussing this and providing updates in these videos over the past several days and weeks, you might be wondering why HSBC has collaborated with one of the companies that Ripple owns. As a result, we observe improvements to the XRPL, the involvement of other financial institutions, the completion of BDCs, the activities of estate brokers, and other developments. The influx of international online trade into the XRPL will have a significant impact, and the wallet zone will serve as an entry point for 150 additional nations to purchase XRP. Which, once again, I believe to be a crucial point. In light of this, many believe that XRP is likely to experience a significant price change, and that we may be on the verge of reaching a bottom. November with Panache community members are expecting a move soon, and the price of ripples is holding above the 50-day simple moving average, SMA, at 5,897 out. We are hoping for a breakup of 6,873. It's true that we've discussed that line several times. The central storyline is the outcome of the SEC meeting that is happening right now, as I am filming this video. So far, no news has surfaced. Keep in mind that this is just a single note. If Ripple settles and the amount isn't $100 million or anything else that goes into litigation, the price of Ripple will skyrocket. That is the view I hold. However, to give us an idea of where we stand from a price perspective, we are currently slightly over the 50-day exponential moving average, EMA, at approximately 4 points in the day's trading. Despite a small downturn in the market as a whole, we are aiming to retest and bounce off the 50 with the possibility of an upside push. Notice the short-term exponential moving downward. Although a negative move would be indicated if this crossed the yellow line, we are pleased to see that the slightly higher periods are still showing a great rising trend. Again, we need to keep an eye on this longer-term downward trend, but a breakout above could be in the cards depending on the news and sentiment surrounding Ripple and XRP. In the comments, please tell me what you think has been the best thing for XRP recently. There have been some huge developments on the XRPL, and the partnerships that support liquidity have been massive. Plus, I'll always see you all in the following one. As you exit, don't forget to subscribe. Farewell, I will see you soon.